When I come to class every day, it's I look at it like it's an amazing thing to be able to learn something new. Like this is my first time ever welding. To be honest, I didn't choose welding. Welding chose me. I got accepted in a free program and I went from there. And like I really like it because it'll be a better opportunity for me, my family, my kids. They'll be able to go to better school systems.
The City of Birmingham and the Woodfin administration believes in its people. Mayor Woodfin believes in putting people first, and this is just one example of us doing that, investing in a program that will help young mothers realize career goals. One of the things that excites me about this program is the comprehensive approach. It's not just, giving them a tool or trade, but it's adding a career coach. It's allowing them to have babysitting services. It's all of those components that will really lead to the success of these young women.
My name is Rashada. I'm a welder and I found my place at Jefferson State.